Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix something isn't right. Try your request again later on Twitter. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most popular fixes first. So the first fix is to see if Twitter or X is down. So just open up any web browser. So type in something like is X Twitter down on Google, Yahoo, whatever, and then just go to any one of the top results here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click onto Down Detector. This is a good site to see if websites, apps are down. So we can go ahead and scroll down and we can see if there are any issues. So if there are any major issues, you're going to see it on this chart here. And if there is, basically you just got to wait it out for up to 10, 15 minutes, half hour, depending of the severity of the issue. Now, next fix is to refresh and fully restart the app. So you want to go ahead and close Twitter completely. So what I'm going to do is open up my app, click on close all, and then try to reopen it again. Next fix is to go ahead and clear the app cache. So go ahead and click and hold on to your Twitter app, click onto I to get inside of app info. From here, scroll down, click on the storage and clear on cache. Now, if we got any VPNs, proxies, ad blockers running in the background, I highly suggest disabling them to see if they are causing the issues. Now, there's a couple more fixes we can try. So we can switch networks. So if you're on a Wi-Fi, try mobile data or the other way around. You can also try restarting your router, turning airplane mode on and off by swiping down on your phone. So you can see flight mode, you can enable that for 10 seconds and then disable it. Last fix is to go to our Play Store and search for Twitter. Now, from here, click into it. If it says update, go ahead and update Twitter.